Alright, in this video I'll teach you how to buy and sell any form of cryptocurrency on the Binance Exchange using the spot trade. Alright, so stay with me to the end. So the first thing you need is a Binance account. Go ahead and create one right now. So once you create one, you download the app, and once you do that, this is the interface you would get when you log into the app. Alright, so let's go ahead to how to trade on the Binance Exchange. First of all, you would need some money on your wallet. All right, down below you would see this interface. You would see this menu: markets, trades, futures, and the likes. All right, so all you need to do is to click on trades right here. So these are the types of trades that are on Binance. You can convert, you can do spots, you can do margin, fiat, P2P, and auto invest. All right, currently it's on spot trading, and that is the purpose of this tutorial. However, as a new user, you wouldn't have any money in your Binance account. So how do you get money to your Binance account, especially those that are in Nigeria or West Africa? So what you need to do is to click on P2P right here. Okay, so what this P2P does is that you are going to purchase USDT or BUSD, which are stable coins. Once you buy those, that is what you are going to use to exchange into any cryptocurrency of your choice. All right, so let me click on P2P right here. So it brings me to this interface, and I confirm. So you can see the rate at which your $1 is being sold right here. Okay, so you can decide to choose who you want to buy from here. So if you want to sell here, if you want to buy here, so we are buying. All right, and the tag is on USDT. So you can see you can buy BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, Nigerian Naira, and Solana. However, this is just limited. Other cryptocurrency assets are not on the P2P. That's why you need to learn how to make exchanges using the spot trading. So once you get this, all right, click on USDT or BUSD and ensure that you click on buy. Now for you to buy here, watch for these red flags. Okay, ensure that the trades is over 500 and the completion rate is over 90. All right, that's how I watch out for scams and delays. So you can see this guy here is 95, this guy here is 6,332. So once I see something like that, that is a green flag. So I click on buy. Once I click on buy, then I would need to send the money to this particular person's local bank account and confirm that I have sent the money. Once I send it, Binance, the guy will confirm and it will release the asset. So once the asset is released to you, all right, it is going to be in your wallet. Okay, so remember, let's go back to the home page right here. Look at this below. This is where the wallet is, down below. Okay, you can see wallet right there. So once I click on wallet, you see different types of wallets. Okay, this will be the spot wallet right here. This is the funding wallet, margin, and futures wallet. So if you click on overview, you see all your wallets. Okay, so what I need to do is to transfer. Click on transfer right there. So once you click on transfer, the money would be in funding wallets. Okay, so you switch from funding, all right, and you transfer to spot right there. So ensure that you are moving the USDT you bought from funding to spot wallets. So once you do that, you impute the USDT. Okay, so then you impute the amount maximum, then you click on confirm transfer. All right, so once you've done that, then all you need to do is to come back to trades. Remember, this was where we were before. Come back to trades right there. So once you go to trades, you can see the currency pair, all right, right here, OP USDT. So you click on it and you change it to whichever one you want. So let me choose Sol USDT. All right, so that is Sol USDT. So if I want to buy, I click on buy right here, it will be green. If you want to sell, I click on sell right here, which will be red. So let me click on sell. You see that is red. All right, so let me click on buy. So all you need to do is to click on change from limits to markets because we want to buy instantly. So all these are functions that can be explained: stop limits, trailing stop, and OCO. All right, but for the sake of this video, we want to buy cryptocurrency outrightly. So you select markets. All right, then you input the amount of Solana you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $50 worth of Solana. I input $50. All right, that's total. But if I click on amount, you can see right here it is on total. If I click on amount, it will tell me the amount of Solana I want to buy. So you can see $50 worth of Solana is 1.96. So you can input amount, it will show that of Solana. If you input total, it will show the amount of USDT you want to trade for Solana. So once you are done, all you need to do is to click on buy so, and the order will be executed successfully. All right, now let us go to the sell. So this is sell. You can see market. How much do you want to sell? All right, so right here there's this function that says you can sell 25% of your assets, 50%, 75%, and 100% of your asset. All right, in my case I want to sell 100%, so I click on 100% and it highlights everything I have on Solana. So right now this sell function is I want to sell my Solana for USDT. All right, so then the next thing I need to do is to click on sell so right here. So it loads and you can see success. So if I go to my wallet right now, I'll be able to find USDT instead of Solana. So you can see right here I have USDT instead of Solana. So guys, that is how to trade on Binance Exchange using the spot trade method. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please do well to subscribe, do well to like this video, and do well to share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.